Yeonseo.
And I'm Michael.
And we're excited to present a demo of our product, ClinicalConsent, for the Duke AI 2024 Hackathon. The problem we are wishing to solve is a miscommunication in the field of clinical trial. Clinical trial is the final and the most crucial stage for a novel drug to be developed. However, a huge gap of information between the researchers and non-experts often expose participants to unknown risks, and other times misconception of clinical trials lead to a majority of the trials closing off due to not enough participants being recruited. So here we propose ClinicalConsent as our solution to this problem. We'll start the demo at our login page where users are prompted to create an account or log in to an existing account. So for example, we're signing up with a new email address and password and a new unique username. And yay, we created an account. And using this account, let's log in. And after we successfully log in, we are prompted to select a position, either a participant or as a researcher. First, let's select researcher.
Yeah, so after you select researcher, you then are prompted to set up your researcher profile. So let's say that John is actively recruiting, he has a clinical trial, and he's interested in getting volunteers. So after that form, we are prompted for a study information collection survey where we get more details about what the clinical trial is that John is hosting. And then here we're prompting John to put in some specific eligibility options. So what demographics is he looking for potential candidates to volunteer? Usually we ask them to upload a PDF of their consent form, which is basically what the volunteer is agreeing, the terms and conditions to which the volunteer is agreeing before they sign up. We can see if we can just bypass that for the purpose of this demo. So now let's see what this looks like from the participant perspective. So if we log out, let's say we make a new account, and now we will select participant, and here we are prompted for similar demographic information, and this information will be used to sort of filter what clinical trials this participant is eligible to join. Participant, we now reach our final page where we see open clinical trials that we are eligible for. Here's a sample clinical trial. If we click on the title, it opens to the research organization site for more information. Additionally, because participant consent forms can be pages and pages in length, we leveraged AI in two different ways to simplify the understanding for users. First, to ensure the accuracy and clarity of our clinical trial summaries, we conducted thorough LLM evaluations through iterative testing and qualitative assessments, refining our language model based on user feedback. Second, we used OpenAI's Assistance API to incorporate a chatbot which allows you to ask follow-up questions about the position. So for example, with this first clinical trial, if I want to learn more about what a PET scan is, a question that might influence my decision about whether or not I want to sign up for this, we have a swift response from the assistant explaining what a PET scan is. Over 200,000 API requests were sent and received during this project. To do this, we used Longleaf, the UNC Research Computing Cluster, to run batch processing large API requests. From our Firebase authentication system that will give unidentified users an error to our querying of over 67,000 clinical studies, we have incorporated a full-stack end-to-end platform connecting participants with health and wellness researchers. Thank you.